Fruit salad with condensed milk recipe. Fruit salad with condensed milk and cream is not just a dessert. It's an experience. This creamy, luscious, and incredibly easy-to-make treat is perfect for every occasion. Whether it's a family gathering, a potluck, or a simple craving for something sweet, this no-cook recipe will win everyone's hearts with its vibrant medley of fruits and rich creaminess. It's a dish that you won't be able to resist. Let's dive into this delightful recipe that takes just 15 minutes to prepare. Why you'll love this recipe. No cooking required. Quick and easy, this recipe is a lifesaver when you're short on time. Customizable. Don't like a particular fruit? Skip it or swap it for your favorite one. Rich and creamy. The combination of condensed milk and whipped cream gives it an irresistible velvety texture. Perfect for every occasion. From parties to casual dinners, this dessert fits every mood and setting. Prep time, 15 minutes. Total time, 15 minutes. Course, dessert, cuisine. Indian, servings, 6. Calories, 245 kilocalories. Ingredients. Here's what you'll need to whip up this delightful treat. Fruits. 1 banana, peeled and cut into bite-sized pieces. 1 apple, peeled and cut into bite-sized pieces. 1 orange, pulp removed and de-pithed. Half a cup red and green grapes, slit into halves or quarters. 5 strawberries, cut into bite-sized pieces. 1/4 cup blueberries. Creamy base. Half a cup heavy whipping cream. Half a cup sweetened condensed milk. 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder. Toppings and garnish. 2 tablespoons sliced almonds. 1 tablespoon golden raisins. Few cherries, optional for garnishing. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Prepare the fruits. Wash all the fruits thoroughly and dry them using a clean kitchen towel. Peel the banana and apple, then chop them into bite-sized pieces. De-pithed the orange and separate its juicy pulp. Slice the grapes and strawberries into halves or quarters depending on their size. Light bulb pro tip. To prevent bananas and apples from turning brown, oxidizing, cut these fruits last and immediately mix them into the creamy base. 2. Whip the cream. In a large mixing bowl, add chilled heavy whipping cream. Using a hand or stand mixer, whip the cream until it becomes light and fluffy. Stir in the condensed milk and cardamom powder. Mix gently until well combined. 3. Combine the fruits. Add all the chopped fruits, golden raisins, and sliced almonds into the creamy mixture. Gently fold everything together to ensure the fruits are evenly coated with the creamy base. 4. Chill and serve. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and refrigerate the fruit salad for at least 30 minutes to 2 hours. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve chilled in individual bowls or glasses, garnished with more fruits, nuts, and a cherry on top. Expert tips and variations. Sweeter salad. If you prefer a sweeter dessert, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar or honey. Lighter version. Replace heavy whipping cream with regular milk. The consistency will be thinner, but still delicious. Store-bought shortcut. Swap the whipped cream with ready-made Cool Whip for an even quicker preparation. Adjust the consistency with milk if needed. Fruit swaps. Feel free to use your favorite fruits or canned fruits. Just ensure to drain the syrup. Double the fun. This recipe can be easily scaled up to serve a crowd. Nutritional information. Per serving, calories, 245. Carbohydrates, 33g. Protein, 4g. Fat, 12g. Saturated fat, 6g. Sugar, 26g. Vitamin C, 22 milligrams. Why this recipe works? The magic of this fruit salad lies in its balance of flavors and textures. The sweetness of the condensed milk complements the natural tartness of the fruits, while the whipped cream adds a luxurious creaminess. The cardamom powder elevates the dish with a subtle aromatic touch, making it truly unforgettable. Final thoughts. This fruit salad with condensed milk is a dessert that everyone will rave about. Its ease of preparation, combined with the irresistible combination of fruits and cream, makes it a must-try recipe. The next time you're looking for a dessert that's quick, delicious, and guaranteed to impress, this is the one. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your ingredients, and let's make this dreamy dessert together.